Welcome back to my channel, and here we are still looking at the 2023 Waec marking guide for you to know what to do so that you can obtain maximum marks in your work. So now we have looked at that of the freehand sketching. Then we have also looked at that of the floor plan. Now we want to look at that of the front elevation. So let's go. Okay. So this is the front elevation that was produced in the year 2023, and we have the marks awarded to the drawing as we see it here. So as we have here that major steps involved in the drawing with allocated marks. Roman figure 1, for drawing correct to correct scale of 1:100, 1 mark. Okay, so as I've said before, we need to make use of the scale given to you. That means if you are making use of the scale, for every dimension given to you, you have to divide it by 100. So very, very important. Then we have for drawing and indicating ground level, for drawing and indicating ground level, 1 mark. So this is the ground level. So if you look at my drawing, whenever I draw the ground level, I usually put this GL there. So you need to indicate it. So 1 mark is very, very important. Then for drawing the walls, 6 in elevation, 3 marks. So the walls, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have the 6th one here. Okay, so for drawing that, I will have 3 marks for that. Then for drawing the floor finish and lobby, we have 2 marks for that. But okay, so they draw the floor finish here and the lobby. So they awarded 2 marks to that. Then for drawing the beam, so 1.5 marks. So this is where we have the beam. So for drawing the beam, 1.5 mark for that. Then for drawing the sliding windows, 3 single, okay, and 1 double. So for drawing the sliding window, so we have 2.5 marks for that. So these are the sliding windows that we have here. So for drawing those windows, we have 2.5 marks for that. Then for drawing the double door with convention, so 2 marks. So these are double door, and then I think they are made of wood. So you need to make sure you put the symbol there. So 2 marks is awarded to that. And then for drawing the roof, 2.5 marks. So this is the roof. So for drawing the roof, 2.5 marks. And then for drawing the east projection, 1 mark. So if projection is distance of the end of the ceiling from the wall, so distance from here to here is what we call east projection. So for that, so they awarded 1 mark to that. For identifying one space, lobby. So as you can see that it's written here, so you also need to write it. For that, they give 1 mark. Then for writing front elevation beneath the drawing, 1 mark. So you can see it written here. Then for neatness and quality of lines, we have 1 mark. So the total mark that a candidate will obtain here for drawing this front elevation and for doing everything as said here is 9.5 marks. So then we come to the end of this particular 2023 Waec marking guide on front elevation. So the next one that we are going to do will be on the sectional view. Thank you, and God bless your efforts.